Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with another video, and this is from the Google, and it's scholarship by the Google for session 2022 and 2023. So it's for undergraduate students. Any other undergraduate student can apply for this, and it's provided by the Google Foundation. So it's known by the Generation Scholarship or Google Generation Scholarship. We will know briefly about this and will show you detailed application on how to apply with step-by-step live application process and guide. And before doing that, let me remind you again, if you have not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button on Instagram. Also, if you are watching this video for the first time and have not subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. You won't subscribe, you regret subscribing to us as we post daily opportunities. We have no intros to play as we save your time and post daily opportunities. So beginning our today's video, you can get the link in the video description below. Check the video description or comment down. You can also message us on Instagram and ask for the link. Now the easiest way is to just scroll down and click on the video description below with the arrow given below and click on the link mentioned on the top to apply link. So click on that link. It will take you to our website here. Now you can read about details given for the Google Scholarship. So a candidate will be receiving the award in his home or home country. So if you are like undergraduate student, you don't need to move any outside. Wherever you are living, which country are you from, so you can get a scholarship at the home institution. So you don't need to get the admission, anything. All you have to do is just be a student in undergraduate degree. So if you are like having an admission right now, and if you are in the first year or any other undergraduate semester, so you can apply to this scholarship. So this will help you very much. Now the duration for this scholarship is 1 year, so you can get funding up to 1 year. And here is the eligibility criteria, and similarly here is the how to apply, and there are 8 steps that you need to simply read and then follow. Please watch the full video so that you cannot miss any part of this. So here is the documents required for this Google Scholarship, and the deadline for this is December 10th 2021. So you have almost 40 days, 1 month and 10 days left to apply. So we have read the details about this. Now to begin with the detailed application process step-by-step guide, simply scroll down. Here you can see a red button showing apply now. Now simply click on this apply now button here. After clicking on that apply now button, you can check we have now been landed on the Google Scholarship page here. So I am zooming it out a little bit. Okay, so now the view is clear. So you can check details. Here you can have 3 tabs. Google Generation Scholarship, you can read details about this scholarship and questions that have been asked many times. Here is the application process. You can read details that we have already mentioned on our website. You don't need to repeat these steps as we will show you the guided application process. Now here is the terms and conditions. Simply on the left hand side are the scholarship details. Key details is that 1000 USD will be given almost dependent on their performance as monthly basis, and it's preferred for the Asian Pacific region. So here is the how to apply section. Applications are now open and the deadline will be 10th of December that we have already mentioned on our website. So here you can see a below apply now button. Simply click on this apply now button here. So it will take you to the login page. So once you log in with the Google email, Gmail, and it will use the same email for all the application purpose. Now once you have to log in with the Gmail, and once you are logged in into Google Gmail or your Google account, then we have to fill the application form and fill the first name. So would you like to receive more information? So I would like to yes. So I understand, I accept policies. Now click on save button. So here you can check the application status is in the draft mode. Now my information is clear. Now we have to fill the contact and general information. So we have 6 steps left right now. So let me click on this pen icon and let's fill the phone number. Now we have the phone number here. Please indicate the country in which you are resident. So let's select country. So then click save. Now submit current academic information. So your location of university where you are currently studying. Then university name. I am a full-time or part-time student. Choose that enrollment. And please indicate if you are visiting exchange student. So I am not, I am permanent student. So what degree are you pursuing? I am in the bachelor's. Expect month of graduation. So okay, October. And expected year of graduation. So you can simply move to 2022. Now current major. What subject are you in? And please enter your CGPA, and it's mentioned also you can also submit percentage. So like I have 88. Now you have to add the percent sign also. Now click on save. So our 4 tabs are now three tabs are clear. Now we have to add the work experience and extracurricular activities. So this does not seem to be like compulsory, but I'll still add it just to show you. Then the end date. So are you still involved in this? So I can say no. So it's in the hours. I can see 365. I have more than 4,000, so I was just in participant. So you can add others and then save. I have only one activity. Now you can go to application documents. So resume, current transcript, and if you have any other degrees you can submit that. Then the essay, and then the Google demographic consent. So let me upload these documents. Resume, current transcript. Now I have uploaded all the documents. So do you consent Google? Yes, I consent. Then simply save. The documents will be automatically uploaded. So now we have the uploaded documents. Now demographic information. Click on this. Then save. Now the additional information, if you have any. Have you ever applied to Google Scholar? So we have not. So have you previously been recipient? So we have not. So how did you hear about this? So you can say Instagram, and then take this mark and then simply save. Now you can check that we have the application button here. Now simply click on this submit application. So I may be contacted for a feedback purpose, then simply submit. So you can check application submitted. So you can check we have application submitted now. So it was so easy that you can easily apply to this. I am reminding again, if you have not liked this video yet, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any doubts still, you can comment down below. We will answer the doubts. Please do subscribe before leaving. Thank you for watching.